everybody! Did you know that when someone lands on your Substack page, you've got just 4 seconds to grab their attention? Imagine this. You visit a website and it is like a puzzle to figure out what it's all about. Annoying, right? Well, your Substack is like your online real estate and it is the first thing new visitors and potential subscribers see. That's why your homepage needs to be crystal clear. Confused visitors tend to click away, and that's not what you want. When people get why your website exists and why it might interest them, they are more likely to stick around. Clear communication on your homepage helps them find what they want and create a fantastic experience. Remember, it's those new visitors you want to win over for growth. So here is the deal. Your Substack homepage should let visitors know 3 things. First, your publication's purpose. Then second, what's in it for them and the actions they can take. If your publication's purpose is to inspire people to cook delicious soups, what readers get are awesome soup recipes, and the action you want them to take is to hit that subscribe button. You can convey your publication's purpose through its name, like Soups on Fire, and make sure those headlines on your homepage pop. How to create the perfect homemade chicken noodle soup. How to prepare delicious soups for cold weather. Creating an engaging about page can be a powerful way to quickly convey your publication's purpose and benefits. Think of it as your opportunity to tell your audience what your cooking publication is all about in a friendly and relatable manner. You can even take it a step further by pinning this about post as a featured post or hero at the top of your homepage. This not only ensures it gets noticed, but also gives your site a well-organized and purposeful appearance. And here is a tip. Your welcome or hero post can be a variation of your about page, sharing some of the same content. After all, readers might only read one or the other, so we want to make sure both options offer a clear and engaging introduction to your newsletter.